What's up, y'all? It's freezing out here.
Oh, wait. Thank you. It is snowing, y'all.
Shit, it's a dusting.
Kia? Well, y'all can't see. I really tried it. I tried it. We hungry. We need food. I drove to George's house thinking I'm just about to go and chill for a couple hours.
And we got snowed iced in. But I needed gas.
So we said, let's get food.
So we needed food. It was right near the gas station, and we ended up here.
Right, now we at Pizza Hut.
Hey,
Hi. You order first, because I don't know what I want. Wait, what? People ringing?
You know,
oh, is that your phone going off right now?
That's the phone. 40 orders haven't even touched the oven yet.
Oh my god, 40 orders haven't touched the oven
And they've
yet?
been here for minutes. The wings like a fry in like 10, 12 minutes. So if you want to do like only wings.
Oh, can you do bonus wings in 10 or 12 minutes?
Can you like add us to the?
I just realized I ain't got on no mask.
We only been in here by ourselves, so. We wanted something to drink.
Yeah, I think when he come back, I'm about to get a soda.
Like I need to pick him up.
Oh, look crazy. And this our chance to make our TikTok in Pizza Hut being childish. Girl, I ain't got enough rhythm there.
With our tea.
Let me show y'all this snow. Please look at this.
Crazy.
That is crazy. Look at the ground. It's snow. Like, do you see them footprints?
We was outside last night.
Why was we outside? It's still snow coming down. You ain't gotta worry about me going out there. I just didn't think it was gonna be this bad.
My mama had been telling me. That's why I packed my bag.
Yeah. Oh, let's go outside, y'all. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. I'm really stepping in the ice right now.
Oh yeah.
Shit, we can.
So right now it's 11:48. Wait, no, go show
We
them
in
the
the
snow.
zombie apocalypse. I did this
Oh,
morning
okay.
when me and Ann was up.
Oh,
Okay, come on, y'all.
we taking our
Might
shots
as
and our.
well.
How was it? Was it bad?
It was trash.
Wasn't that bad?
No, it really wasn't.
Did you drink the whole thing?
Mm-hmm.
You ain't pour out none?
Yeah.
So you did that damage.
And I'm not gonna lie, that shit tastes good.
With
shit
with the
tastes
tequila.
So we're gonna do shrimp and grits.
Hopefully we survive through the day, y'all.
We did.
And keep our power.
All right.
It's right in front of her house.
So, Ann and Georgian cooked a whole delicious ass meal.
Delicious.
Let me show y'all what we didn't put. Well, what they didn't put together, cause wait,
We catered to Kia.
they love me. Look at. Do y'all see the fish with the fries? With the. Oh, play. Then we got the shrimp with the bread. It's just a lot.
It's a celebration.
Good.
BTS.
You said this bread was good.
Oh, you want some sauce?
It's good, y'all. Y'all dog is good when everybody quiet. Good morning. It is Tuesday. It is probably like 9. And there's still ice. It's supposed to snow again later. But the power back on at my apartment. So I'm about to go back home. It's around 11 a.m. and the power is out at my friend's house. I left to go to my apartment. Power is out there. Power is out at my best friend's house. Yeah, my anxiety been on 20. I've been like, what's going on? Like yesterday, I could kind of like, chill and act like, okay, this will pass over. But today, we ain't got no power.
No gas.
Huh?
No gas.
They ain't got no gas?
No gas. Tried to catch
How
me
much gas you got left?
I got 70 miles. I'll be alright.
This is too much for me. No gas?
No gas.
It's getting dangerous. Okay?
What I can. Front wheel drive. Front wheel drive.
You better slow this down. You cutting them corners too goddamn fast.
Oh, did you want to try to get something to eat?
I am hungry, but where we gonna get something to
You
eat
want
from?
that hibachi place?
Hey, open?
I think so.
Hell yeah. I think, yeah.
Hell yeah.
I do want a kolache.
I do want a kolache.
How do you say hey?
Girl, no, kid.
So today is, what's today? Oh, I look crazy. Today is February 17th. Today is Wednesday. I have not been to work. Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. We're watching Baldwin Hills right now. I haven't been to work. And there's still snow. You can see. We don't have no power, no water at my apartment. And we went to somewhere else. The water shut off and then the power shut off at like 3 o'clock this morning. So now we are at my mama's house. Yeah, we warm and I'm gonna cook later. Feels good to be in a normal space. Well, it was normal at George's house. That was fine, and then it turned up the next day. It just got crazy. But I feel so bad for so many people. I'm seeing a lot of stuff like on Twitter and stuff. I guess I'm gonna close this out now since we safe. We safe now. But we are moving this weekend, so I need to show y'all. Oh, my lips chapped. I need to show y'all my new apartment. We're moving this weekend, and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like empty and what, everything before we move everything in. But we don't move till Saturday. We get the keys Friday. So I guess I'll bring y'all Friday. Yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. That's it. Do y'all have anything to say about this crazy situation we in? What you gotta say, Venice?
Houston is ghetto.
It's very ghetto. 1 star. Don't come out here. Time to spend time with your family.
Yeah. Hopefully you like your family.
Yeah, I hope you like the people you stuck with. I hope you ain't went to nobody's house
That you don't like.
and got stuck there. Yeah. So yeah, hopefully everybody is safe with your family, with loved ones, and check on your people. And I will see y'all in my next vlog. Oh, my lips chapped. Okay, y'all, I will see y'all in my next one.